we are watching right now practice ng tennis dito sa Sorrento. At doon naman, women's basketball. Nagpa-practice din sila doon. So dito sa area na to, mataas yung mga building. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 floors dito. Pero sa mga area namin, it's 5 floors lang, Mami, right?
Yeah.
So, double ang size ng mga condo units dito sa area na to.
Wow.
So, these are the amenities. Meron pang isang pool. Nasaan yung isang pool, Mami? On this side?
It's right there.
2. So, may dalawang pool.
That's nice there.
So, that's the pool. So, ito yung isang pool.
And the other side is the other pool.
Okay.
And that building is the gym.
Alright. So, yun yung gym. So, maganda dito sa Sorrento Oasis.